Hi everyone. Firstly, congratulations, Poonam ma'am. This, I actually used to write poems back in school and college, and I know how much thought actually goes in to writing each and every line, and the happiness that you get after completing one full poem. So I'm sure the happiness that you must be getting now after completing all these poems and converting it into a book must be something else. And also very, very well selected. This poem, when I just read it, I felt I could relate to it completely, and I felt कि आपने मेरे मन में emotions actually बहुत अच्छे से लिख दिए हैं. So I'll just go on with it. Like old friends, we have a similar reaction. And I stop in amazement as I excitedly think, I've made a new friend. There's definitely a link. And in that singular moment, I begin to relax, happy to be away from at least a few quacks. From within this group, I've surely found a friend, and the rest of the evening I can happily spend. Thank you.
I never thought that Poonam aunty could, write poetry, or writing a book is something that is just beyond me at least. I've never read a poem in my life. I don't understand them at all, I have to be honest. So when I came here in the evening, I said, oh, today is a very intellectual evening, and I will have to tell everybody, it was such a wonderful poem and I understood every word, but I'm not quite understanding most of them. But I have to say that the one that I have, the one that she's chosen for me, I read many, many times to make sure that I understood it. And I think it's just so beautiful that she writes just so, I think like pure of heart. I think she's very simple in her thoughts, and I think that shows in her poems. So I'm going to try and not ruin it. So here goes. Oh, carefree days that did amaze, I so desperately want you back. I want to be strong with my troubles gone, not always bemoaning what I lack. Struggles and troubles, anxiety and angst are constant companions as we grow. So cherish your dreams, let out those screams, for where they'll take you, you will never know.
Our need for others and theirs for us, relationships, families, and all that fuss. But is there really a purpose to this, and to what end? When we can't even determine what's around the bend. Yet, within each is this infinite potential, coupled with the desire for ongoing attention. So though we are a new person, which with each new day, there will always be a price that we'll have to pay. For all our experiences come from the past, with no surety of the future or how long it'll last. Thank you.